On June 12th, the Colorado Supreme Court announced a decision in Pellegrin versus the state of Colorado, finding that the mandatory domestic violence treatment imposed after a criminal conviction is not a punishment under the law. Justice Gabriel, writing for the majority, stated that the purpose of domestic violence treatment is rehabilitation of an offender in order to reduce the likelihood of future domestic violence instances, and distinguish this from other penalties, like incarceration, that exist for the purpose of imposing retribution against an offender. One corollary of this decision is that trial courts in Colorado are now no longer required to have juries make the decision on whether or not a given crime constitutes an act of domestic violence, since that is only a constitutional requirement for findings that impose an additional punishment. It's hard to see how a finding requiring somebody to pay thousands of dollars for an evaluation and treatment, along with a prohibition that prohibits their right to possess a firearm, is anything but a punishment. However, in looking at the legal landscape going forward, we can certainly expect to see a lot more judges in Colorado making these decisions for themselves.